In today's video, I am going to teach you how to paste values only without formulas in Excel. This is a really useful technique when you have formulas in a range, but you want to keep only the results. For example, maybe you have calculated totals, prices, or dates, and you want to paste them somewhere else as plain values so they do not keep recalculating. Let us go step by step and I will explain what to look for as you follow along. First, select cell A2 and then drag down to highlight your data range. As you do this, make sure the selection covers exactly the cells you want to copy. You should see the highlighted area extend downward to include all the rows you want included. Taking a moment here matters because if your selection is too small, you will not copy everything you need. If it is too large, you might paste extra cells you did not mean to include. Next, with the range highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the selected cells. After you press Ctrl+C, Excel stores the copied content in the clipboard. You might notice a brief change in the selection, and the copied cells are ready to be pasted. This step is important because the paste special command will use what you copied, not what is currently on the screen at the destination. Now, click on the destination cell B2, where you want the values to go. Choose B2 carefully, because this is the cell where the pasted results will start. When you click B2, you should see that cell become the active selection. From here, Excel will paste in a way that lines up with the rows from your original copy, so starting in the correct place helps avoid misalignment. After you have selected the destination, press Ctrl+Alt+V on your keyboard. This opens the Paste Special dialog box. This dialog is the key part of the process because it lets you choose exactly what you want to paste. When the Paste Special window appears, pause for a second and take a look at the options available. This is where you tell Excel to paste values instead of formulas. Once you see the Paste Special dialog, press V on your keyboard. This selects the values option within the dialog. You do not need to click anything with your mouse as long as you have the dialog open and you press the correct key. After selecting values, you will confirm the choice so Excel can paste using that setting. Finally, press Enter to confirm values only. At this point, Excel will paste the results into the destination range, starting at B2. The important difference is that the pasted cells will contain only the displayed numbers or text, not the original formulas. This means the new cells will not recalculate based on the original formula references, which is exactly what you want when you are creating a fixed set of results. To double-check your work, you can click a pasted cell in column B and look at the formula bar. If the method was done correctly, you will see that the cell contains a value rather than a formula. This confirms that you successfully pasted values only. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.